This is an American Girl doll that I got for $10 at a tag sale. Her name is Jess McConnell, and she was the 2006 Girl of the Year. I have zero experience with American Girls, but we're going to try to carefully clean her and make her look good again. So first thing I'm going to do is, these clothes are going into the laundry. Alright, I think people would probably say that her limbs are a little loose, but she can stand up, so there's that. That's a happy thing. Right now, I'm just going to focus on cleaning her up. She doesn't appear to have major stains. She's just a little bit grubby. The first thing I'll do is just take some baking soda, got a magic eraser, got some baking soda and some water.
By the way, leave a like and subscribe.
Ooh, there's something weird underneath her arm there.
Oh, what was it?
It's a little
Yeah.
weird spot.
Could be milk stains, could be anything.
Those are her underarms. I think it's probably dye from clothing. Her leg joints don't seem to have the same problem. Just her armpits, so I think there is a shirt in her past that had some dye that was not set properly. A little baking soda here. This is a tube of acne treatment gel. It has benzoyl peroxide in it. And I am going to put it very carefully on those stains and let her sit for a little while and see if it helps. Just a tiny bit right on the stain. Okay. Got it on her stains, and we're going to let her sit in the light for a little while because it's a cloudy day and we're not going to get much sun outside. Okay, we're going to give her a little wipe down and see what's underneath all of that pimple cream. So, just taking some water. Still a little bit of mark there, but it's not as bad. Like my other experiments with acne cream, sometimes it takes a few rounds. Yeah, she's still pretty marked up. So, a little bit more time, a little bit more acne cream. seems to be moderately successful. There's still quite a bit of coloring right here. I'm going to go ahead and wash her hair, and then while the hair is drying, I'll put on another set. They always recommend that you cover the eyes when you wash hair, so I'm going to go get something to cover her eyes, and then we will do a hair wash. So I've cut up a couple of makeup sponges, and I'm going to tape them over her eyes with some painter's tape because it won't stick forever. Okay, it's the next day and her hair is dry. And I'm going to take the acne cream off her armpits. I am going to give her a comb out, and maybe I'll take a break from the acne cream for a little while and see if some of that just lightens up residually. So her hair is clean, and I'm going to spray it down with a little bit of water and see if I can get some of the snarls out. All the videos about these dolls say that you don't want to use a lot of other products. I don't have a wire brush, which is what's recommended, so I'm just going to try to use a detangler. I'm really bummed that I have to do this, but somebody gave this doll a really bad haircut. Spray it down. And first thing I'm going to do is put it in a low ponytail at the back of her head. I'm going to try to center it. Well, this will do for now. At least she's a little more straightened out. And you can see what we can do with this later.